homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it at the Players Club. Jump the pool or kick it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Players Club. I got a hoe named Real DeReal, she got a buddy named SB12. Now you know the deal. We get freaky in the studio late night. That's why the beats that you hear coming real tight. Something to roll to, something to stroll to. If you's a player in the game, this'll hold you. More money for the bankroll. Stick to the script, don't slip in the 9-4. A lot of fools put salt in the game to where these women get the notion that they running the game. I run my own and I'm my own self person. No respect make the situation worsen. Feel more HP and Sunnydale. There's a Players Club everywhere you dwell. Lakeview, PH, and Orange Street. A different part of town, a different kind of freak. I just wiggle my toes on a mink rug and press play on remote at the Players Club. Me and my homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it at the Players Club. Jump the pool and keep it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Players Club.
Champagne, Mr. Forte.
From day one, I had to get my money right. Me flying Frankie J, we took an airplane flight. They wanted to hear rap. I said, I bet. We dropped the beat and grabbed a mic and then they wrote a check. A few G's for the pocket, no hesitation. Took a flight back to the Golden State and shops made orders from a whole new capital. The word was getting out, Forte's out rappable. Don't need a Glock, but I bought one just in case. Sucker try to stop me from pursuing my paper chase. Throw the chasers on because it don't stop. I got the beat, I got the rap, you make the Glock pop. So treacherous and suckers couldn't sweat this on a bad day. By the way, just in case you never heard of rapping Forte, I'm on a smooth tip. Never tripping on them suckers popping off at the lip. I pop the top off the drink and we can roll some dank, bro. Leave the gat at the house, bring some dominoes. Kick off your shoes, relax and get a body rub. And shoot your mackin' at these women at the Players Club. Me and my homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it at the Players Club. Jump the pool or kick it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Players Club. You can't resist it, but don't get it twisted. VIP, that means the number's not listed. Membership is based on clout and how you carry yourself. Now homie, what you all about? I stack paper and kick it with the OGs. Some got a 9 to 5, some took a lot of keys. You can learn a whole lot from a player. A lot of these players make a damn good rhyme sayer. A lot of people get a misconception and start drifting in the wrong direction. Miss Goody Two-Shoe, I'll see you later. I ain't got time, you ain't nothing but a player hater. I'd rather kick it with the crew in Arizona. They chop game like we do in California. Another show, another flow, a new bank account where cash money comes in large amounts. So get your membership but never slip the lane as fast, or else fly have to tap that ass and drop you to the ground and make your knees scrub. Just an everyday thing at the Players Club. Me and my homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it in the Players Club. Jump the pool or keep it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Players Club. Me and my homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it at the Players Club. Jump the pool or kick it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Sucker Free Club. Yeah, I like to send a shout out to all the Players Clubs throughout the world. I know they got a Players Club in Chicago. What about that one they got in Philly, fo? You know they got one out there in Atlanta, the way they be chopping it. You ain't said shit. Detroit, New York, Texas. Yeah, but we gonna move on down to these Players Clubs closer to home, like Seattle, LA, Bakersfield, San Diego, PA, V-Town, Richmond, Sacramento. Yeah, but a special shout goes out to them Players Club right across the water in the biggity O.
Yeah, and last but definitely not least, yeah, them player clubs they got right there in the San Francisco motherfucking Bay. Yeah,
And we out at the Players Club. Yeah, at the Players Club.
What?
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a comer. This is fucking awesome. awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big cock. I'm just pumped. I bought some shit from a thrift shop. Ice on the fringe is so damn frosty. The people like,
Damn, that's a cold ass honky.
rolling in hella deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressed in all pink, set my gator shoes. Those are green, draped in a leopard mink. Girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this. Smells like R. Kelly sheets. But shit, it was 99 cents. I get copping it, washing it. About to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins. Someone else has been walking in bummy and grungy fucking man. I am stunting and flossing and saving my money. And I'm hella happy that's a bargain, bitch. I'ma take your grandpa style. I'ma take your grandpa style. No, for real. Ask your grandpa, can I have his hand-me-down? Velour jumpsuit and some house slippers. Dookie brown leather jacket that I found. Dig it. They had a broken keyboard. I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket. Then I bought a kneeboard. Hello, my ace man, my mellow. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my fringe game, hell no. I could take some pro wings, make them cool, sell those. The sneakerheads will be like, he got the Velcro.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
What she know about rocking the wolf on your noggin? What she knowin' about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, I'm searching right through that luggage. One man's trash, that's another man's come up. Thank your granddad for donating that plaid button up shirt. Cause right now I'm up in her skirt. I'm at the Goodwill, you can find me in the I'm not stuck on searching in the section. Your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I'll take those flannel zebra jammies secondhand and rock that motherfucker. The built-in onesie with the socks on that motherfucker. I hit the party and they stop in that motherfucker. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's hella tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant bitch. I call that getting swindled and pimped. I call that getting tricked by business. That shirt's hella dope. And having the same one as 6 other people in this club is a hella don't. Peep gang, come take a look through my telescope. Tryna get girls from a brand, man, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't.
Goodwill. Poppin' tags. Yeah.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'll wear your granddad's clothes.
Damn right.
I look incredible.
Hey, come on, man.
I'm in this big ass coat
ass
from
coat.
that thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
Is that your grandma's coat?